Stream today is day. Oh, let me try to change it to that. What's up, chat? Welcome to the stream. Today's day 72 of live day trading. NASDAQ futures on Top Step. Today I'm actually in a trade right now. Okay, so I lost my first trade for the day. Let's have a quick recap of that. So as you can see here, if I just hide everything for a second, you can see price was sort of, actually it's probably important to have that there. You can see that price was coming down. You can see that price had a down, it was bearish, had an internal break, created a protected high. This protected high, and then there was a protected low here. Okay, and then after that you can see that price sort of was, you can see that price was coming back up, and it first swept this initial protected high before going down a bit and then coming back up. To me, that's a sweep, and then I would like to have seen, I guess, I entered off the retest there. So after it entered here, I shorted, and unfortunately it stopped me out immediately, so I took an L there. You can see by the chart executions on the screen there. Yep. This is my, I didn't believe it, but my my other what's it called?
Order filled.
Okay, well, there you go. There's my 100k zero qualified. Just failed. I thought it failed yesterday, but there was a bit of wiggle room, it seemed like, but now it's officially failed, so no worries there, chat. Anyway, so back onto this one. Yes, I did a short today, lost that, not a problem. That's okay. After price had gone up, created a new protected high. Now we've got a new protected high, and this becomes that internal change of character, which if we zoom out, now we've got a break to the upside with the protected high, and then this protected low is an entry level. And so as you can see here, price came to this entry, to this protected low, and we entered off one of these candles after a strong rejection on 3 minute here. So as you can see, there was a rejection on 3 minute. I entered a long position off there, and so where the entry is specifically, we're probably looking around here, with a stop loss outside around there, targeting a price that will pass the challenge. Now let's have a look at where the entry would be, specifically 23,441. So something like that. That was my first entry area. Okay, and yeah, that's essentially the trade that we're sitting in now. We're going to see how this plays out, chat. Is where we're at now. Price could definitely come back to sweep this again before heading up again, so that's completely fine. So as you can see, came back down, tested it, and lower time frame. Now there is a lower time frame change of our character. Okay, so as you can see here, let's have a look on this 15-minute move. Came down here, okay, and it made a little high before coming down here, testing this internal protected low here, and now we have just made this internal change of character on the 3 minute. See, as you can see here, and so this is what we're going to be holding out. Now we could have potentially had a maybe better entry, to be honest. Oh man, this might close us out here, chat.
Order filled.
Unfortunately, I closed this out. We were up a bit, but we didn't TP anything there. So another loss, not a problem, not a problem. We're still in. But yeah, unfortunately, I did risk up quite a bit on that one, so that was not good, risking up and taking that L, but that's all right. We can still continue. So yeah, this was a pretty valid rejection of this internal protected low on the 15-minute, I guess. But let's just, if we zoom out, I guess we can see that the realistic area for price to head to was this protected low here. So price most likely will head to this low first. Price will head here first before, you know, doing what it needs to do. So I guess this internal change of character, I guess now that we look at it here, this was just simply a pullback for it to go lower. You know, this isn't a change of character. If this change of character was at this protected structure, that would have been a lot more valid. That would have made a lot more sense. So yeah, that was I guess wrong bias trade there. Lost because of wrong bias. Entry was okay. Could have scalped a short position there, maybe took some off the table maybe, but that's alright. We're still in it. We are still in it. And yeah, we'll see if there's any other opportunities that present itself to us today in this session. We're trading in the Asia session today. Let's have a look at what the tilt is saying. A lot of people in shorts and they're in the green, so yeah, I guess that's, yeah. So this pulled up into, like, I guess this internal protected high here. So market open at 8 o'clock there. Market open up at 8 o'clock, came down. I guess this internal protected high here. And price reacted off this. I see. Okay, well, that is a good kind of position to, you know, revise. I guess we'll just sit here and watch price play out. Maybe a potential another entry somewhere. Something like this is what we can look for, I guess. So as you can see, we've got a massive imbalance here. We're just going to wait for this more higher probable trade, to be honest. We can long from here in this, I guess, discount area. That's right. chat. I don't know what to say. It looks like there's this decent rejection off this internal protected low. This might be a protected low for now. Internal protected low still. It might just be a stop out, to be honest. Let me have a look at the tilt. It's sort of averaging out. Might get long here, chat.
Order filled.
I'm going to keep this a really tight stop loss there. Take this into this internal protected high. This internal high there. I only have $215 to spare. So I'm going to do half my position size in this trade here. Only because 23 seconds left on this 3 minute.
Order filled.
That's definitely fooled. Yep, okay. I was fooled. Bruh, I was fooled. I was fooled on fooled. Oh my days. Look at that, the 15 minute, oh actually, 1 minute left. Ooh, I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. Yeah, maybe I'm tripping. I'm gonna move this to break even, chat. Now, I might be tripping here. Yeah, I might be tripping. I'll just move it to break even, that's alright. Risk-free trade.
Order filled.
Alright, well, that clears me out. Not a problem. Little quick break even there. I'm gonna wait, chat. I'll be back on later today. We'll see if there's any good valid setups. Right now it's just kind of